In the dimly lit halls of the Pitié-Salpêtrière Hospital, Paris, 1667, a groundbreaking experiment was about to unfold. Dr. Jean-Baptiste Denys, a daring physician, and his assistant, Arnaud de la Poterie, prepared themselves for a daring endeavor, the first successful blood transfusion in history. The hospital buzzed with anticipation as the clock struck midnight. The patient, a 15-year-old boy named Jean-Baptiste, lay weak and close to death after a severe bout of smallpox. His father, desperate and distraught, pleaded with Denys to save his son's life. Denys, a man driven by curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge, had been conducting research on the circulatory system for years. His studies led him to believe that animals and humans shared a similar blood composition. This theory, though unproven, offered a glimmer of hope for Jean-Baptiste. With the help of a lamb, Denys prepared for the transfusion. He carefully drew the lamb's blood into a makeshift glass vessel, a delicate task given the fragile nature of the era's medical equipment. As he looked at the crimson liquid, Denys felt a mix of excitement and apprehension. He was about to perform a procedure that had never been attempted before. Arnaud de la Poterie stepped forward, his heart pounding with the weight of their undertaking. With steady hands, he inserted a crude tube into the lamb's artery and the other end into Jean-Baptiste's vein. As the blood flowed from the lamb to the boy, the room held its breath. Minutes passed, and there was no immediate change in Jean-Baptiste's condition. Denys and Arnaud exchanged anxious glances, unsure if their experiment would prove fatal. But then, a sudden change. Jean-Baptiste's color began to return, and his breathing grew stronger. The room erupted in celebration as Denys and Arnaud realized the success of their daring experiment. They had achieved the impossible, opening a new chapter in medical history. The first successful blood transfusion had been performed, paving the way for future advancements in the field of medicine. However, the road to this groundbreaking achievement was fraught with controversy. Denys's methodology was met with skepticism and ridicule, and his work was often dismissed by his peers. But the legacy of his pioneering spirit lived on, inspiring generations of physicians to push the boundaries of medical knowledge and save countless lives. In the annals of history, the first successful blood transfusion stands as a testament to human curiosity, perseverance, and the indomitable spirit of discovery. Jean-Baptiste Denys and Arnaud de la Poterie's daring experiment serves as a reminder that even the most seemingly impossible challenges can be overcome, given the courage to innovate and the will to persevere.